Welcome to Vaibhav Power Vlogs. Press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Hello everyone, welcome to Vaibhav Power Vlogs. So today we are going to unbox the Studio Creations by Cadbury. The signature Pralines selection of filled chocolates. So this is the flavor. Brownie Noix. So on the right hand side they have given the Cadbury Creations badging. You can see. So you can see the box from the front side. So on the left hand corner side, so they have written the cocoa and chocolate products. This is the look from the side of the Cadbury Studio box. You can see the seal of the chocolate box. So this is the back side of the box. Again the ingredients are given in the left hand side corner. So I bought this for 445 rupees. So you will get it on Amazon, Blinkit, etc. online portals. So net weight is given over here, 130 grams. Chocolate is inside the box. So there are 10 units total, 13 gram each. So on the downside they have written, for best eat experience, consume at the room temperature. So you can see the QR code on the box. You can directly visit the Cadbury studio for purchasing their studio products, which is made by Cadbury. So now let's check what is inside. So here we have opened the seal. So they have written Studio Creations by Cadbury, and the flavor also Brownie Noix. So they have written the message over here by the Cadbury Studio. The backside it's plain. So you can see the 10 chocolates inside the box by Studio Creations. So they have written the flavor on the chocolate ball. You can see. You will get to see the golden foil, which is used for packing. So now let's check how is from inside. So you will get the brownie filling inside the chocolate ball of the Studio Creations by Cadbury. So you can see the brownie inside the chocolate ball. So this was the unboxing of the Studio Cadbury chocolate. So we'll meet in the next video of Vibe of Power vlogs. So don't forget to comment. We'll meet in the next upcoming video of Vibe of Power vlogs. So thank you so much.